Mozart Mouse. Hi, Angel Bunny. How are you today? I'm good. What are we going to do today? Are we going to do rhythm? I like to do rhythm. Yes, we're doing rhythm today. Can you say the rhythm for these cards? Okay. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Good job. Now I'm going to change it up a little bit and see what happens. So, can you do this new one? Okay. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Good job, Angel Bunny. All right, let's change it. Or maybe you would like to change it. Okay, I'll change it. Now, Mozart Mouse, you need to tell me what this says. Okay, let's see. Tell me if I get it right. Ti, 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 ta. Yes, I think that's right. Yes, it is. That's an interesting one. Lots of TTs in there, right? Yep. Okay, let's try a different one. Okay. How about this one? Let's see. Ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ta. Good job. All right, I'm going to change and we're going to do something different. Okay. Do you know what we did here? Yes. Is that a rest on that yellow card? That's right, that's called a rest. Can you say the rhythm? Okay. Ta, rest, ta, rest. Good job. All right. Do you want to change it around this time? Okay. Okay, Mozart Mouse, your turn. All right. Let's see if I get that right. Ta, ta, rest, rest. Good job, Mozart Mouse. Well, thank you, Angel Bunny. Okay. Shall we switch things around some more? Okay. What if we add TTs in there too? Okay, this is getting complicated. Yes, but that's what's fun about it. Let's try it. Okay, what do you think, Angel Bunny? Let's see. I think it's ti-ti-ta, rest, rest. Good job. You want to switch it? Okay. Okay, Mozart Mouse, your turn. All right, let's see. Ta, rest, ti-ti-ta. Good job, Mozart Mouse. Oh, thank you, Angel Bunny. Let's do something different. Okay. Now what do we have, Angel Bunny? Well, let's see. I think it's ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, like we had at the beginning. Yes, that's right. But what I did was I changed where the cards are. So we're going to sing ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Can you do that? Okay. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Okay. Does that tune sound familiar? It sounds like cuckoo, where are you? Yes. Shall we do it together? Okay. Cuckoo, where are you? Cuckoo, where are you? We did the whole thing 2 times. Let's see. I might have enough cards that we can put the whole thing out so we can do it 2 times, okay? Okay. Okay, Angel Bunny, can you do this whole thing? Okay, let me see. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. I can sing it like cuckoo, too. Okay. Cuckoo, where are you? Cuckoo, where are you? Good job, Angel Bunny. Thank you. So, what do we have here? Okay, we're going to learn a new song. It's called Rain, Rain, Go Away. But first, let's learn the rhythms. Can you do the whole rhythm of that? Okay. So do I do the top part first and then the second part? That's right. Do the top part and then the bottom part. Okay. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Good job, Angel Bunny. Okay, so the song we're going to sing is called Rain, Rain, Go Away. And it goes like this. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Oh, I might have heard that song before. Can I try it? Okay. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Good job, Angel Bunny. So, this is a little different, but it's really the same. It just looks different. Can you say the rhythm on these cards? Okay. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta. Very good. Do you notice that there are two cards that are the same? No. Which ones are the same? Well, let's see if you can guess. It could be this one and this one are the same. Or it could be that this one and this one are the same. Which two are the same? Okay, let me go look. I think this one and this one are the same. You are exactly right. Do you want to say the tas and titis again? Okay. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta. Good job. That's a lot of TTs in there, isn't it? Yes, it is. And we can also use it to sing our Rain, Rain, Go Away song. Now, what I just did for you a minute ago was just with that much. And it went, rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Or I could sing it on the ti-ti-tas. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Kind of like we did before. Okay, can I try that? All right. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Good job. You know, it might actually be better to just remember it using the words because it's the rain song. Shall we sing the rain song? Okay. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Good. And I'm going to add that one more card back again because there are more words to this. And let's do that. So, actually what this song is about, a little bunny is singing Rain, Rain, Go Away. Not because rain is bad, because rain is very good for plants, but little bunny can't go outside and play when it's raining. Yes, I know. That happens to me a lot. I want to go outside, but it's raining, and I would get all wet. Yes, sometimes a little wet's okay, but you don't want to get too wet, right? Okay, so it goes like this. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little bunny wants to play. You want to try it with me? Okay. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little bunny wants to play. Very Very good. You learned a big, complicated song. Yes, I did. Okay. Well, that's all for today. Have a good day. Okay. See you later.